It's all garbage anyway.
Shrink wrap it.
Well,
What?
I know you'll have me fixing that big one.
If you have to fix that, I'm done.
I can fix that.
I've been in the basement.
Oh, it's all broken.
That's what I'm
Oh
saying.
my god.
That's some Oregon Trail.
There's his workout. He tried. He was trying.
There's no handles left on them. That's the problem.
No, they're all broken off. I don't know what good they're doing, but
They're just trying to get everything, obviously, towards the wall.
yeah.
Give it 20 minutes, it'll do it itself.
Yeah.
I'm waiting for that tent just to go right over. There's still 100 feet on it.
You flick you or do you thumb you? Thumb, love it.
Wow, it's windy out there.
Yeah. Look what you got in.
Oh, there that goes.
Oh, man. And that's a simple big driveway, too. How much you have sand and stuff in your eyes, or, you know, if you're not wearing something?
Yeah. Probably.
Look out for safety goggles.
See? I told you good, right?
I look like a minion.
Oh, that thing's just gonna take off.
Holy shit.
Oh yeah, it's coming off already.
Well, might as well talk about this too.
Minion Cliz out there.
Oh, there you go.
Make sure you